Hello again, this is the 27th. I'm sorry, I don't know why it takes time more than I expected, but I'm not happy. I'm just trying to explain, and this is the let me just stop the program. I just run the program for genetic algorithm is the one the value is 134,134,134,019. But I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna just explain to you a little bit in summary. Till now is very simple generation. Genetic is we creating baby actually. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just new population is the 100. My file new maximum weight and my file lease. As I explained, my file is the class just for reading the information. And we're going to say generation for the first one is 1, and max fit in the main program we just popul the calculation fitness, because for the first time we have 100 population. And as you can see, for the population, what we do for all the item in the population, each item already run the calculation fitness, but in DNA actually running this one. This is the call fitness. Every DNA or every person has to itself. He's got the one calculation fitness to calculate his own fitness, and you can see the fitness is going to be 0, and the weight of value is going to calculated, and if the weight is less than less equal maximum weight, the fitness is going to be value. But if not, the value fitness is going to be 0. And as I explained to you, is that there is a random generate DNA. Actually, yeah, a random generate DNA. I'm just creating the random here, and I just say I have the reason I'm just doing that in DNA. I'm trying to just create only the DNS who less than the maximum weight, less than the maximum weight is. I have to follow I'm checking the constraint here to not creating. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. We're gonna try it later and see is it better or getting better answer. I'm not following any paper or anything, just trying to my purpose is just for you become familiar with programming. Here is we have a calculation fitness, and as I told you, every item in my population is the DNA, and each of them has a calculation fitness as well. And in population, always I'm checking the fitness. I'm keeping the maximum fitness to get to see what is the best result. In the generation, I'm picking randomly 2 items from the population, and call it one of the mother, one of the father. The baby is going to be new one, and I'm gonna in this 4 I'm gonna just choose one part from father, one part from mother. Still is not genetic algorithm. I have to do something more. This is just summary video, and at the end of the day I'm gonna say my population array is the baby. That means the new baby, even maybe the one of the baby already is in the population. What I have to do here, to be honest, I have to say what I'm gonna do here is this is my population array, and I'm gonna for the generating, because I don't want to mix it with a new generation. I want to finish first finish it, and after when I finish it, just put all the baby to the new generation. That's why I'm gonna say DNA. DNA is the array of the I'm calling it my baby. Is my baby, and my babies. I think that this is right. My babies. This is my baby's new generation of the. Okay, just I'm gonna put in second line, and I'm gonna size the size of the gene. No, size of the gene. No, is a. I'm gonna just say length of the exactly same length size of the this one length h, and I'm gonna say my babies, and I'm gonna say okay, and DNA baby, and I'm gonna just put it there instead of putting the my population, I'm gonna put it in the my babies, because the reason I'm doing that, because I don't wanna, when I'm gonna make a baby, I wanna put it in some other array, and then later I'm just gonna calculate, put it in my population for the next generation. This is the one what I'm doing. That's my baby is going to be the 100 my baby, and when the 4 is finished, all the babies is my baby. I'm gonna say my population array is going to for as my baby. Okay, this is I feel much better about this one, and I'm gonna go to run the program just to tell you is for the knapsack 20 and see what is the output and what is the population. You see that's in the generation number 23 I have it 660, but we still don't do the mutation. There's another function I will explain in later. Is a very basic, is that just for trying to is not making sense, but I'm just going to stop it, and where is the population is I'm going to make it bigger, and you see the output, my result is going to much better, is very quickly, and going for the 711, and this is for the 20. When I make it 10,000 population, and this is the, if you know the concept of the genetic algorithm, when I have more random, that's why I can get a better result, but in the same time my process maybe is the take a lot of process, and I'm going to run it again with the 726 I know is the maximum, and see what is about 10,697, 718. I'm talking about this area. Oh, we got in the 60 generation, we got the 726. Let's do it with the 200, and as you know, is a 200 item is there, and I just run the program and see there what is the result. And as you can see, because it's 200, it takes more time, 133,220, and I'm gonna stop here. And when you watch the video, let me know. I'm gonna go for the next series. We have to make sure everybody understand the concept of the generic algorithm and genetic, and we're gonna just implement it in the Java. And I want to make sure everybody, if you have any question, leave the comment, or you see me in the university, we can discuss about that. Just let's see everybody come to this point. Watch all the video and question, and we're gonna I think we just need for maybe 3 videos or 2 videos to finish the genetic algorithm, and at the end I'm gonna change it a little bit close to the, not for doing the assignments, but if something similar, but I'm gonna in the future I'm gonna just change the generate baby to different function, and because I don't want to just make the one function is the big one. I want to make it in a different. I can put it, choose a mother and father in one place, and create a baby the other one. That's a natural genetic, and that's exactly the same as the algorithm. But I just wanted to do something, and get some feedback from you. Maybe for the last I think maximum is a 2 or 3 video we're gonna finish the genetic algorithm in Java. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry about if I couldn't finish it in 10 or 20 or in 10-15 video, and I had to come to the 27. This 27 is the just first point for the data.